So hey there lads, this is the most amazing, wonderful MIUI 12 golden looking theme. This looks amazing. Let me just show you how the lock screen looks like. This is how beautiful the lock screen looks like, amazing and wonderful. You have all sort of options, dialer, gallery, camera, contacts, music player. If you go to settings, this is how it will look like. So how can you download this theme? First of all, let me just show you how it looks like with the Poco launcher. So let me just go here and go over here and set my default launcher to as the Poco launcher. So which launcher do you guys use? Do let me know in the comment section. I'm using the Nova 7. Let me just go here and tap my home button, and this is how it beautifully looks like. Amazing Android 12 golden looking MIUI 12 theme. Let me just search for settings, and now I'm in the settings, and this is how the custom animations look like with the Nova launcher. I'll go to theme.